Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin now. Visually inspect the Petzl Connect Adjust for integrity and smooth gate action. Safety starts here. Once done, orient the device so the narrow tubular section aligns with your harness anchor and the larger eye faces the direction of the load. Make sure the gate is fully closed before loading. This prevents cross-loading. Thread your rope or sling per manufacturer path. Follow the marked channels, then clip into your harness. This first sequence reduces movement and sets you up for precise adjustments. Once the connector is in place, feed the webbing or rope through the adjuster following the engraved arrows so the cam engages properly. This is critical for safe load transfer. You then tension gradually, short, deliberate pulls, watching that the cam teeth bite evenly and the tail runs straight without twists. Make sure the adjuster sits flat against the anchor and harness to avoid uneven loading. If final tension must hold for a period, lock the freetail with a simple backup knot or secondary carabiner to ensure redundancy. You finish by performing a full system check. Confirm the gate closure, cam engagement on the webbing, and that the tail tension is secure under a controlled load. If you notice any slippage, stop immediately. Loosen, inspect for dirt, hair, or damage, reroute the webbing cleanly and retention with short pulls. Debris is often the culprit. Make sure to replace the connector if you find deformation, sharp grooves, or persistent slippage. This final step ensures the whole setup performs reliably when it counts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.